Hello, and like I've been saying in the last few videos, it's been a while, but welcome back to Korea with Kate, video diary number 22. Well, I thought the wing was intense today, but I kind of like it. So this vlog consists of the videos of the happenings after my Busan trip, which is like the first week of May, and that includes my birthday, so this is what happened on our birthday. I ended up going to dinner with some friends. We went on a walk. They got me these cute little flowers. We shared a couple meals together, like this pizza, this like dish with like meatballs and bread, delicious. And the place we went to had such cute drinks, and it was a really cute like music area. You had like this slip of paper at your like table where you can request like songs, and they would play it like live, not live, but like a DJ. And this is my little like photo shoot directed by Becca. And yeah, this is a cute little restaurant bar thing that we went to for my birthday. Also featuring the many drinks that we had. So on the week of my birthday, I was gifted with many cakes and many sweet treats by my co-teachers, so lovely, so kind. Also featuring lunch that day. It was like a puff pastry item, so good. And then my travel school, we found out that the grade 4s are raising chickens from little eggs, and so this is that. On the weekend, we decided to go to Nasan Dang to get some dinner, and there was a protest happening, so that's that little clip. And then this is the dinner, samgyeopsal as normal. And then, obviously, since we're in Korea, another photo booth. And this is the results.
I need to see the one. Let me on the floor. I need to see the one that we...
More cakes. I pass by this place all the time and I'm so curious. What is this? On this day, I had some time to kill before I went to my language exchange, and I wanted to try out this little area with like hanoks that I pass by all the time on the bus. Turns out there are really cute cafes here, and so this was me exploring that. And these are just one of the cafes in the area. There are several. I also assume that there are people that live in these areas too. But yeah, if you were to wear, hanoks are like a traditional style building in Korea. So yeah, this is what the cafe, this like architectural style was like. Of course, need to have a photo shoot with a drink. Cute. I was clearly taking the aesthetic vibes of this like cafe. Like, look how cute, and like look at the amount of footage that I got from this cafe. Also, I was alone, so like no judgment on it. So I took all the content that I needed. Like, who do I think I am? Like I don't know if you can tell, but I'm basically like being Goldilocks, trying every little seat in this one area, finding the one that was just right. Also, kind of fun that I got to experience election season here, and like the people that are campaigning for people to vote for each other are so cute. They have little dances and everything. Also, the view from Sejong Bridge. We had some free time, so the kids decided to do some K-pop random dance play, and they were so good. I had to show you, but like obviously privacy sake, so blurred out faces. Yeah. Kill it. Icon. Yes. 괜찮아요? I told like a Stepford mom for one of my just an aesthetic piece. I think it was a beach day, but I feel like it's giving Korean ajuma right now. But the overalls. So this day was Teacher Appreciation Day, and my main school had the students put on like a busking performance and like a cafe for the teachers to show their appreciation. It was so cute. They gave out cards and like letters written by certain students that were addressed to you, and then you got free drinks. And then there was just this performance going on throughout the day, which was so cute. I have to show you. So this was the teacher cafe part where they give you the drink and then a stack of letters from your students that wrote like appreciative notes for you. It was so cute.
네 도시에 빠졌어 나 월급 바벌 뭘 날아다니는 새처럼 자유롭게 fly fly super show Take me to new world anywhere 어디든 답답한 이곳을 벗어 나 기만하면 shining the light light 빛나는 by you 자유롭게 fly fly super show Oh 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 가면 밤낮 하늘을 돌고 돌아도 나 그대만 볼 수 있다면 내 달콤한 단잠까지도 다 버리고 날아 올라가도 좋아져 빛이 날아가 성이 되어서 하늘을 날아가 내 맘을 전하게 그대에게 데려가 별을 내려봐 그대가 보이게 더 빛을 태워봐 언젠가 사라져버린다 해도 내 맘을 줄 거야 사라져버릴지 몰라도 내 맘을 줄 거야 고작한 마음도 못 참고 멍청하게 나 번졌는지 뭔가 지켜버린 것 같아 표정을 보면 말이야 나도 지금 나버린 고백에 얼마나 명했는지 몰라 미치는 장면에도 들리고 오늘도 몇 번이고 떨리지만 약속했어 날 안아줘 저겨라줘 이번 꿈에서만 하기야
Sorry for the amount of performance videos I added, but they were so cute. I wanted you to see all of them. And yeah, I just felt so appreciated. Like, this was so nice and thoughtful. In addition to this, our principal gave us like snacks and goodies. We got little gift cards from like the vice principal. It was like, wow, you really do appreciate teachers here. I also like translated this, so it's not perfect, but like this is what it said in English. Some more selfies with my students I nicknamed my little ducklings, or Velcro students. And here I am being quote unquote visited by my grade 6 students. I really think they just come out here to hang out, but they're sweet and we try to communicate as much as we can with our very little English and Korean combined. I like how they just visit me to not visit me, just chilling in my room. So I found this moment really sweet. We ended up just like doodling on this desk, and then we ended up having like a little bit of a jam session. These three girls, specifically the girl in the gray, is like the leader of the busking group, so it's her club that kind of organized the whole performance for the teachers. And then she showed me how they practice on their phones when they don't have their instruments, and like then we started doing some songs and covers together. It was so sweet, so wholesome, and yeah, I love that. And suddenly I came to you. And I've been spending my whole life to find my own place. Maybe it's the chocolate hunger or the chocolate fondue, but with you, I still
don't know the rest part. Up and down. I don't know where we are. Love is an open door with you, with you, with you, with you. Love is an open door. Yay! Personal musicians.
Some more free items given to us on Teacher Appreciation Day. I can't remember if this was the very first time that I did this laundry here, but I found this coin laundry thing that's 24 hours really close to me, and I decided to do a laundry day, which is a godsend because not having a dryer really threw me for a loop. So gotta use the coin laundry for that dryer, that luxury, you know. Also, I thought this thing was really cool. It was like a shoe sanitation thing, and you put it in there, apparently like disinfects your shoe without washing it. I attempted to do work while waiting for my laundry, but I think I ended up just watching Netflix, but yeah. And this was another teaching day, but when we went on break, we saw that the school next door is having their graduation photo shoot in like costumes, and it was so cool. This is my room. I ended up finding some fairy lights and decorating it, making it look cutesy, and that's all for now. Bye!